Alright, welcome back. UFO Sightings Strange Lights. Check this out. This footage is recent footage. It just came to us from England. One of our sources sent it to us. Look at these 3 lights over here. We received this footage February 21st, 2017. You'll most probably be seeing it in our February 22nd, 2017 video. We're not exactly sure 100% when this actual sighting happened, but we definitely know it is from England according to the source. And let's take a look at these UFOs. They're orbs. It looks like the center one is bigger than the other 2, and it's definitely reflecting on the lake. This is excellent footage over here, guys. Here's a close-up of it. Look at that. Definitely tell that the center orb is bigger than the one on the left and the one on the right. Once again, this footage does come to us from England. We're not sure as to an exact date on it, but we did receive it February 21st. Man, this is definitely got to be proof positive, guys. Take a look at this. I mean, we have definitely seen orbs before on this channel, but this seems like some kind of formation. Very interesting footage over here, guys. Slow down here again. A little bit zoomed in. Yep, the reflection is definitely on the river over here. You can tell for sure. Very interesting. We're definitely gonna have to say proof positive on this one, guys, from the looks of things. And if you guys maybe if these orbs have been seen in the UK for our viewers, we know we have some viewers over there. Please let us know down in the comments below, or if you're in England and if you've heard about this, please let us know if you have any insight. And stay tuned, guys. We're just getting started with this video. Click subscribe, click the bell notification, click send me all notifications for this channel, and you'll never miss a UFO sighting again. Alright, here we go. UFO sightings during a snowstorm. This is our clip of the day. We received it February 20th, 2017. But we will be posting it in our February 21st, 2017 video. The only thing is that we don't know the exact date that this footage was sent to us. We're working on getting that for you. We just received it February 20th. So we are going to definitely say, this is recent footage. So we do have a location for you guys. This is Lodi, Wisconsin. Okay, farmer took this footage. He saw this over here. Here's the farmhouse, but behind there is the farmland, and this thing, he spotted this thing. He was just coming back from the grocery store, and as he pulled into the driveway, he saw this object, whatever this thing is. He got out, and then he started filming it with his cell phone. I think it's an older cell phone, but look at this. This thing actually looks, upon closer inspection, like it's morphing. The shape is changing. I mean, it's rotating slowly. You can see it's definitely snow's coming down. It is a snowstorm. Well, at least there's snow. And this is just definitely seems to be in like some kind of organic shape. Nothing, we've never seen anything like this. Look at that. Hard to judge how big it is. It's going past the antenna. It's definitely bigger than the antenna, but not sure how big that antenna is. But excellent footage over here, guys. Recent footage, February 2017. Once again, we don't have an exact date, but we did receive this footage February 20th, 2017. And we're gonna have to say proof positive on this one. I mean, what is this thing? Lodi, Wisconsin, farmer captures this flying over his house, pulling in from the grocery store. And can you imagine pulling back from the grocery store and seeing this? Man, excellent footage, guys. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Alright, it's time for our clip of the day. Check this thing out. UFO Sightings Russia 2017. This is very interesting footage over here. The quality is kind of bad. I'm not sure if the source used a cell phone or what's going on. Maybe just an older camera, but this footage, you know, it's kind of blurry a little bit. And then this thing is just floating across. Apparently this is abandoned company. This company has been abandoned according to what the source is saying. And these guys just come out over here and they hang out. And let's just say they party. We don't want to get into too much detail on that. This is just what the source was letting us know. And then they saw this footage over here. And then it's weird with the actual footage, there's no noise on it. It's just like this kind of buzzing noise or static. So it's kind of weird with that. What's going on with that? Not sure. But here's the footage. We're slowing it down. This thing is very interesting, guys. I mean, what is it? I mean, excellent footage over here. Wish it was clearer. We're gonna zoom in on this a little bit more, slow it down over here. Once again, UFO Sightings Russia 2017. We did just receive this clip in January 30th, so we'll be posting it on a January 31st video. Look at this. Here's an extreme close-up. Look at this, man. This thing apparently was huge according to the source. And this is an abandoned building. These guys hang out there. I guess they party or whatever. The company has, gone out of business, whatever it is. And maybe these guys are doing like some test flights or something like that, thinking that nobody would see it. And then these guys are the source is partying over there, and they end up catching this footage. Excellent. That's just the theory that we have. Or is it alien? It might be extraterrestrial. It might not be one of ours. You know, if you guys have any information on this, this is from Russia. We just got this footage in 2017. Let us know. Please leave it down in the comments below. It would be greatly appreciated. And don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. We'll be bringing you these videos as soon as we get them, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Alright, welcome back. Let's take a look at our footage over here. UFO Sightings USO. Underwater submerged object. And this could definitely possibly be one. Look at this. This UFO is huge. The source was on a boat ride, and they got this on film over here. And look at that. Did you see that? It wasn't. This UFO was not there for a long time. Apparently, it just appeared out of the blue, just like it left. It just disappeared right out of the blue. It slowed. Here's this footage slowed down for you right here. Look at the light at the top right. And what kind of shape is this? And it seems to be reflecting, but it's very distorted, the reflection. And then it looks like over here, once again, this is slowed down for you so we can take a look over here and see. It just disappears, vanishes, and that light moves, and it looks like it almost funneled out. Some excellent UFO footage over here, brand new footage. We just received this footage May 8, 2018. UFO Sightings USO, underwater submerged object. Possibly it just disappeared. It looked like it just disappeared, but there's a lake right there. And this footage is from Frankenmuth. I guess there's a boat ride in Michigan, and that source was on this. And I don't know how many people saw it, but he said he was on the deck. Look at that. And that's where this footage comes from. This is excellent UFO footage. Here's a close-up. Look at that. And what is that light? I mean, that light seems to be a different entity almost, especially when it disappears. It looks like, I mean, I don't know, did it summon the UFO or whatever? There's no explanation for it. It's an unidentified flying object for sure. USO, underwater submerged object. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, there's the footage. The date, May 8, 2018. in Michigan, Frankenmuth. That thing is huge. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Is this a USO? Check out the links in the description. We have a link to our newsletter. It's free to sign up. That being said, we'll talk to you tomorrow. Have a good day. Click subscribe. Click the bell notification. Click send me all notifications for this channel, and you'll never miss a UFO sighting again.
We're on our way home. It's been a while, but we're finally here.